Congratulations to the happy couple, David and Jane. Wish you a lifetime of love and happiness.
Also, remember ni Dubs, a happy wife, happy life.
Also, congratulations sa bundle of joy ninyo.
Cheers to love, laughter, and
Happy ever after.
Congrats!
Hello and congratulations to both of you. And akong message una for Jane, akong naila David is si Davin is a very passionate sa iyang trabaho. Passionate siya particularly with the development of communities. Sa isa yun na amok yung parihas mi is when we speak about the indigenous people and the environment, no? Diha yun medyo makita ginino nga grabe yun ang dedication ni Davin. And I think if you're not careful, it may affect your married life, but I could say it's a very good blessing, no? They recognize, because there is not just happiness in those communities, but also growth in terms of personal and spiritual growth. Second is that nag-ingon man si David, man siya akong ma-advise sa iya, ang akong ma-advise, again, you know, common, kapalo naman siguro ito, there are only two rules. First rule is that the wife is always right. So, mura na siya, balikan. And the second rule is, in a rare moment, when maybe the wife is wrong, so the rule number 2 is slap your face twice and then go back to rule number 1. Na lang kasi. But there are times nga there might be discussions, conflict, decision. So I would advise na as the head of the family, Davin, ang haligi ng tahanan, you will always have your last word in all conflict, in all decisions, in all argument. You will always have the last say, and your last say will be yes, Jane. That's everything will be resolved. But ultimately, ako ang advise or even wish, no, that you put your relationship, or you put God at the center of your relationship. You can never go wrong if you do that. So sometimes there are challenges, sometimes but again, David knows that, no, how God-centered relationship is very important and very important. So, congratulations. Siyan sila, Vic?
Congratulations to Davin and Tita Jane.
Okay, best wishes and God bless.
Love you, Tito Davin and Tita Jane.
Okay.
Davin, Jane, sa inyong mga ginikanan, mga ninong og ninang, og sa inyong mga bisita, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Congratulations, Davin and Jane. I apologize I could not join you today to give you both a huge hug in person. But please know that I am here in spirit and celebrating your wedding from afar. Now, as your ninong, I feel it's my duty to pass on a little wisdom, not as an expert, but as someone who has learned a few things along the way. People will tell you that marriage is about big things, a house, a family, a life built together. And it is. But equally important are the little things. It's about saying thank you for making the coffee. It's about sharing the same sense of humor and enjoying things together. It's about choosing to be kind even when you are tired. It's about being there for each other when life gets hard. Never stop dating each other. Never stop surprising one another. and never ever go to bed angry. So, as you begin this incredible adventure together, know that you have an army of people who love you and support you. And I am always, always in your corner. Here's to your health, your happiness, and your love. May it continue to grow deeper and stronger with every passing year. Again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Ismaya.